Hello everyone and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Bombay Teachers Training College. I, Benisha.Fernandes, will be performing 3 experiments in this video. The first experiment that I am going to conduct is called rising water. What do we need? For this experiment, we require water, food coloring, a plate or a shallow bowl, a candle, a matchbox, and a glass. To conduct this experiment, we first need to attach the candle to the plate. This can be achieved by holding the base of the candle over a flame and sticking it using the molten wax. Make sure that the candle is fixed and stable. The next step is adding food color to the water. Mix it well. Pour the water into the plate such that it covers the surface surrounding the candle. Light the candle and let it burn for a few seconds. The next step is we take the glass and cover the candle standing on the plate. Observe what happens when we do this. After some time, the water starts rising inside the glass and the flame goes out. So before we proceed, let us understand what is air pressure. The air around us has weight and presses against everything it touches. This pressure is called atmospheric pressure or air pressure. Observation. Once the glass is standing on the plate, the burning candle uses up all of the available oxygen in the glass and the flame goes out. The air in the glass cools and the air pressure in the glass falls below atmospheric pressure, drawing water into the glass. If we observe while the glass is removed, a pop sound is heard as the seal breaks. So why does this happen? Conclusion. The burning candle heats the air inside the container that is hot, and the hot air expands quickly. When the flame goes out, the air cools down and creates a weak vacuum or lower pressure inside the glass. On the other hand, the air outside the glass remains the same. This creates a difference in the air pressure, which results in the water rising inside the glass. The second experiment conducted by me is called diffusion. What do we need? For this experiment, we require liquid food color, 3 glasses of the same volume, a dropper, and water with varying temperature. Label the 3 glasses as hot, room temperature, and cold water respectively. Fill these glasses with equal volume of water. Make sure that water is added as per the labels correctly with hot, normal water and refrigerated water. With the help of a dropper, add 2 drops of liquid food coloring to each glass of water. Let the color diffuse. Make sure that the glasses of water are not disturbed while the color is diffusing and leave it for 20 seconds. In the meantime, let us understand diffusion. Diffusion is the physical process that refers to the net movement of molecules from a region of higher concentration to one of lower concentration. Observation. After 20 seconds, there is visible difference in the water of the 3 glasses. Let us understand why this happens. Here, the blue dot represents a molecule of water and red a molecule of food color. The molecular movement is quite rapid in hot water. The molecular movement of water is moderate in normal water, while in cold water, the molecular movement is quite slow. Conclusion. From the conducted experiment, we can conclude that due to high kinetic energy in hot water, the color diffuses at a faster rate, at a moderate rate in room temperature, and the slowest rate of diffusion is observed in cold water. The last experiment is the lava lamp. What do we need? We require food color, vinegar, baking soda, a tall glass, and oil. To conduct this experiment, we first add some food color to the water. Mix it with the vinegar. Now in the tall glass, we add the baking soda and top it off with oil until 3/4 amount of the baking soda is at the bottom of the oil, forming a layer. Now slowly add the vinegar to this mixture. Observe the lava bubbles explode due to the reaction of the baking soda and the vinegar. Why does this happen? Observation. Oil and vinegar do not mix due to their differing densities. Vinegar sinks to the bottom and the oil floats on top. Vinegar is more dense than oil. Conclusion. The water and the food color have the same density while oil is less dense and hydrophobic. Hence, it actively moves away from water molecules. The baking soda reacts with water, creating carbon dioxide bubbles. These bubbles float to the surface, carrying with them some water. Once the carbon dioxide bubbles pop, the water sinks back down below the oil. I hope that you enjoyed this video and learned from it. Thank you.